I just discovered a DEX arbitrage opportunity that will leave you asking for more. In this arbitrage opportunity, you will be able to buy a certain coin in one exchange at the price of 0.03 per coin, and in the next exchange, you will be able to sell it at 0.04. Which means that if you spend $100 to buy at 0.03, you will be getting 3,333 tokens. And if you now go ahead and sell it at 0.04 in the second exchange, you will be earning $133. That is $33 profit in just one trade. Which means that if you are able to do this up to 10 times in a day, which is actually unlimited, you should be earning 33 times 10, which is $333 in one day. So this is very much profitable, and you can actually do it more than 10 times in a day. So if you are new to this channel, my name is Austin, and on this channel I make awesome content on how to make money online through cryptocurrency trading, forex trading, and the likes. In case this sounds like what you are interested in and you want to join the money makers, consider to hit the subscribe button and smash that bell icon, but be careful so you do not injure your finger. Once you do this, guys, you'll be able to get awesome information I share here on a daily basis very, very early, and you can actually jump in at them before some of them actually expire. I hate to burst your bubble, but do not take any of this information on this channel as a financial advice. I only try my best to give you educational content, but always do your own research. Having said that, now let's dive into this video. So these tokens are IOTX against USDT. On CoinMarketCap, which I've already shown you how to spot arbitrage opportunities on, you can see that on Binance, it is trading at 0.03, that is less than a cent. And we can actually confirm that on Binance right now. So let's go ahead and check Binance and see, and the price has just dropped to 0.029, so we can still take it at 0.03. okay, so let's try and buy at this market price of 0.0299, as you can see here. So if you are spending $100 right now to get IOTX, that is IOTX, I don't know what you call it, but I call it IOTX. All right, so if you are spending $100 right now to get this token, we will be getting 3,334 tokens. All right, so register it somewhere. So we can actually go to the second exchange now, and the second exchange is on Uniswap. So let me show you, and I'm going to show you how to trade this on Uniswap. Okay, so if you are enjoying this video to this extent and you are here to give it a thumbs up, please seize this opportunity to give it a thumbs up, because I'm going to be revealing wonderful information further for you on this token, on this DEX arbitrage trading. So this is an information you cannot get anywhere. Okay, it's actually a premium information. I've actually shared it on my Telegram, my VIP channel yesterday. So my VIP students are already making money with this. So and I decided to also share with you guys. So the only way you're going to be paying back to the channel is to ensure you give this video a thumbs up, so that it will actually be recommended for others to view. And at the end, ensure to click on the share button and copy the link and share with your friends, so that they too will learn. At the end, also share your profit with me, so that I will also spread the joy. All right. So you are going to be buying on Binance and then go to Uniswap. So on Uniswap, currently this token is trading at 0.04 approximately. So even on SushiSwap, it is even trading at a higher price, but I use Uniswap more often than SushiSwap. I've not actually used SushiSwap anyway. So Uniswap is a decentralized exchange, unlike Binance. On Uniswap, you are on your own. If the keys, a saying has it that if the keys are yours, then the cryptocurrencies are yours. But if the keys are not yours, then the coins are not yours. What does this mean? If you're on Binance, your keys are not yours. So Binance, KuCoin, BitGate, and the rest of the centralized exchanges should take care of your coins. If you buy or you're using centralized exchanges, they are in custody of your coins. But if you're using decentralized exchange like Uniswap, SushiSwap, PancakeSwap, and the rest of them, the tokens are in your custody. You just have to take care of your private keys, just like in Trust Wallet. Okay, so if you are using SushiSwap or Uniswap right now to trade, all you have to do is to learn the technicalities. Well, the technicalities, I've actually left a video. It's one of the content in my premium community. Okay, it's one of the contents in my VIP channel. And if you want to check it out, you can actually hit me up and you learn more if you do not know how to trade this on decentralized exchanges already. All right, but it's not too difficult anyway. I believe most of you know how to do that. So if you are buying on Uniswap right now, so let's go ahead and check Uniswap to know how much we are going to be trading this coin at on that place. Okay, this is uniswap.org, which is the right URL, and you can actually click on launch app. So once you click on launch app on the home page, you will now be provided with this. Okay, so everything you have to do here is just swapping of tokens. You swap one coin for another. Okay, so you just have to connect your wallet. It can be Polygon wallet, Optimism, or Arbitrage wallet. Anyone you are using can actually connect it, and then you then go ahead. And what we want to swap right now is IOTX against USDT. All right, so we're going to select the first one is IOTX. Okay, so we have IOTX and we want to now swap it. But before then, if you have bought IOTX on Binance, like I showed you here, for those who may like to ask me questions, if you have bought IOTX, this is spot trading on Binance here. If you have fixed all this, if you're using $100 to buy, the next thing you have to do is just to hit buy IOTX. Okay, if you have selected the amount of money you want to use and buy, go ahead and click buy IOTX and it will trigger. You will go to your wallet now and do the transfer IOTX from here to Uniswap. Okay, so if you do not know how to do this, I'm afraid you may not carry out this arbitrage trading because it requires that you know how to trade on decentralized exchange. So if you have transferred it now to Uniswap, all you have to do is to come over to Uniswap right now, and meanwhile, you don't necessarily need to directly transfer it to here. All you have to do is to transfer it to your wallet, and then once you connect the wallet to this place, it will automatically be on Uniswap. Okay, so if you have transferred it here, connect your wallet, then select USDT in the second place, then click on this to select token, and the token is USDT Theta. All right, so you want to swap from IOTX to USDT. And how much IOTX do you have? Let's go back to Binance and check how much IOTX that we have. So we are spending $100 to get 334 IOTX. So go ahead and input or put 334 IOTX in this place. 334. All right. So we have 3,334 IOTX. And this is going to give us $135. All right. Remember, on Binance, we spent $100 to get this. And on Uniswap, after swapping it right now, we're going to be getting 135 USDT. Isn't this wonderful? And we are going to be paying a network fee or transaction fee of around $2. Okay. Because on decentralized exchange like this, you're going to be paying more price. If there's no liquidity in the token or in the pair that you are selecting, you're going to be paying more price for as the transaction fee. Okay, so we'll be paying around $2. That is 1.88 for this transaction or for this swapping, which means at the end that we should be able to get $134 as our income. So if you have done this right now and you get $135, you can now do the mathematics right now, and you now see that you have made a profit of $35. Okay, so 135 minus the $100 we started with will give us a profit of 35. All right, so if we now subtract the $2, let's approximate it to $2 transaction fee, it should now be $33. Okay, now let's assume that the transfer from Binance to your DEX wallet, let's say it costs another $2. Let's just take it that way. Let's say it costs another $2. I believe you are going to have enough profit. You're going to have, if it costs you $2, then 33 minus 2 should give you $31. All right. So you now have USDT. Okay. You have swapped from IOTX to USDT, and transferring USDT back to Binance for the repetition of this arbitrage opportunity should now cost you around $1 or 0.8 USDT, depending on the time of the transfer. That is transaction on TRC20 network. All right. So this is going to cost you around $1. So at the end of the whole stuff, you're going to be earning extra $30 for yourself on this $100 that you used to trade. So if you are earning $30 per trade, guys, this is something that does not take time, so you should be able to do this thing at least 20 times in a day and be earning $600 extra for yourself. This is very huge, and if you want to carry out this arbitrage opportunity, let me know in the comment section. And if you are yet to give it a thumbs up, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, because it's actually a premium information that will help you to keep making money on a daily basis. You're not going to be paying me in any other way, guys, rather than giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are yet to subscribe to the channel, endeavor to hit the subscribe button. It will just be for your own good, because you'll be getting awesome information like this very, very early, and you'll be notified. Ensure to click all notifications so that whenever I release new videos, you will be the first to be notified and to jump right into it and start making money for yourself. I believe you found enough value watching this video, guys. So ensure to click on the share button, copy the link and share with your friends. You're not the only one that want to make money online, okay? So ensure to share with your friends, because sharing is caring. When you share with them, they will also come and learn how to make money through this crypto arbitrage opportunity. You might want to check out my VIP channel so that you learn more how to make money through crypto arbitrage, especially the DEX trading. All right, so thanks for watching this video, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.